What's up, guys? Well, today we are going to be cleaning up the motor for the Miata. We picked up a gearbox the other day. It's pretty janky, pretty dirty, but it shifts good. Got good shifting. Gears feel nice and tight, which is the main thing. The motor's pretty clean. I've given it a once over degrees. It's not too bad, bit of surface rust and whatnot on the block, but other than that, she's pretty tidy. Got these nice little hoses, Mazda MX-5 Mania hoses. Alternators on there. The only thing I'm missing is power steering pump, but that's not that important really to go in the car. We can still drive without power steering. So we're gonna chuck the clutch on, get the gearbox mated to the motor in this video, get it all ready to go, and then we're gonna chuck it in the car. This thing is filthy. Look at it. Disgusting. Oh, Gurney's there. Let's give it a scrub, eh? Alright, while there's soaking in, I'm just going to take the front bumper off. Leave that off, and the radiator out to get the motor and gearbox in, so we might as well just whip them off. Alright, now we will continue to scrub the gearbox. Boom, she's all clean, ready to go onto the motor, which is over there. Now we've just got to dig the clutch out from there, chuck it on there, and then it can go in there. Sweet. Alright, so it's the next day. Had a hold up yesterday. I didn't actually have any Loctite to get the clutch and gearbox on, but I ducked off to the shop, got some of that. Did film it, putting it on, but the camera didn't save the footage, which is ironic, but we got it all together. There you go, we got the gearbox on, clutch is in, Loctite on everything, and she's on the crane, ready to go in the Miata. I've given it a clean up, just touched up the cross member a little bit, tucked everything out the way, pulled the radiator out. So now we're gonna chuck her in. Just got to put you on a time lapse and we'll get it done. Of course someone starts cutting grass now, eh? I'll chuck some music on. We'll get that into there. Boom, and it's in. So, sorry you didn't get to see me put it in. Fidgety. It's nice. Engine mounted on this side. Was no problem with this one down here. That one went in nice and easy. This one ended up having to take the mount out of the bracket, slide the motor in place, then slide the mount in through the bracket and bolted it. But that wasn't too much of a struggle, just a bit of back and forth, bit of tedious work, but got it there in the end. Ended up having my brother-in-law help me do it, which made it a whole lot easier. So now, now we've got a list up. We've got to do the speed sensor. Starter wire's already done. I had a bit of a fiddle last night with the camera off. Radiator and coolant bag box is done. Smashed that out as well. Bit of soldering. Figured I'd get that done off the camera. Clutch line, I've got to figure out a fitting to adapt the clutch line to the slave, because if you look here, there's nothing in here, and there's supposed to be a hard line from what I presume that goes up through here, along here, down to this side, and then I've got the clutch line here. So whether I just get a barb to barb fitting and put that bit straight to the slave, or get the proper hard line and do it the right way, we'll figure out which way is the cheapest. And I've just got to bleed the brakes, picked up a steering wheel, fuel system pump, so I've got to find them on Marketplace. Exhaust, got that there. Washer bottle, already put that in, that was pretty good. Drive shaft and front bumper, which are all here. So we'll jump into those, smash them out, and that should do us. Then we'll almost be ready to start the car. Alright, radiator's all in, all done. Exhaust is all in, all bolted up, looks good. Got O2 sensor in, plugged in, down behind the head there. Now we just got to put the mass airflow sensor and intake on. This pops onto here, bolts in over here, and this is the plug here. So we'll get that done. Then it's just a matter of button up some little things, fuel system, what else we got to do, that clutch line, and we just got to put the drive shaft in. Once we've done that, we'll almost be ready to fire it up. Alright, so we've got the gear box in, shifters in, 1, 2, 3. We'll get a gear knob on there, we'll do that now. Alright, so we picked up this neat little Nardi shifter, came with the car, quite nice actually, Nardi badge, so we'll go ahead and smack it on. Ready, boom, and done. There we go, quite nice, real short, which is good. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. Sweet, looks good. Completing the interior, goes with the Nardi handbrake. Now we've got something special for here. I'll show you that now. Alright, so I picked up a few good things. One of them came with the car, other I had to pick up from the shop. Good score though. Had to get something to drive the car, so I figured we'd just go for a cheap little option at the moment. Alright, so here it is, a SAS Motorsport steering wheel, $130 from the local parts shop. Pretty good deal. I like the bag. It's neat. Fucking comes in a bag, it's cool. Alright, so I'll grab her out of here. Sorry, it's a bit hard to do one-handed. There we go. There's deep dish on it. Racing stripe, just cause. Cool like that. Got a nice horn button. Sweet, what else have we got? What else we got in there? Nothing. Cool bag. Some extra horn buttons. What do we got here? Oh yeah, just a nicer looking plush one or something. I got this nice overflow here. Came with the car. Aluminum. It's not that easy to do this stuff one-handed. Far out. Come on. Ah. One little tab holding it all in there. There we go, overflow. So this sits in the car. Like so, I believe. Overflow to the radiator. Sweet, it's a nice piece. Makes the engine bay look good. So that, steering wheel. So we'll go chuck this one on, eh? Sweet, just some hex pieces. Let's go. Right, so we couldn't end up fitting the steering wheel in the Miata, so we had to chuck it in the Corolla. Do the old switch, pull the steering wheel out of the Corolla and chucked it in the Miata. So we'll just show you that now. Actually looks really good in the Corolla. There she is. Just a cheap little SAS one. Fit in there right, quite nice. I'll show you now the reason why it didn't fit in the Miata. Dun, 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 dun. Jump in here, and if you have a look around here, see, if you just look in here, we got this little ring, hub-centric ring to the boss kit, which makes it a pain in the ass, but luckily the Corolla one fit, which is all good, so we put it on here and we put the other one in the Corolla. So now we have a steering wheel for both cars, which is wicked. But I think that will do it for today, guys. So thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, like, comment your thoughts down below, and make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned for the next content. We'll be starting up the Miata in the next one, and test drive after that. Cheers, guys. Have a good one.